Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Okay, this is about the baby Bubbles and getting her restoration started. Now let's take a look at her back here, and so you can see it. See where her arm is going? It's cracking. It's almost up into this area, and I don't want it to start ruining this area in here. So we're getting too close for comfort there. So it's time to get her looked after here. So we're going to rip her apart, leave her one arm out like it is. And we need the needle nose pliers because we've got to take it apart where the wire is. This one has been kept in a lot better condition than what this one was. When you go back, and if you do, and you look back on this one over here, you're going to find out how bad condition this one was. She was bad, in a bad way. But anyhow, I'm gonna look one more time for her body before I start ripping this one apart. Because I don't have to, I won't, but I got a feeling I buried it deep. Trying to figure it out because there's string wrapped around this as well, and I don't want. What usually happens is the wires break because they're so old. There we go. I got some what do you call it? Maybe I can. There's just some thread in this, and I can't see which way to turn my. Okay, I managed to get that on my own. Okay, let's see. Oh, see what I mean? It broke. This is what happens because it's so old. Yep, that one broke. Okay. It's what goes on. Did it come apart? Nope. Oh my word. Oh my, it just wants to keep, oh, it's rusted. See, this is what happens because they're not stored in the best places and they get like this. This doll could have been, there we go, we're starting to get it off. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we are. It's caught, oh, no wonder I couldn't get it. There we go. Oh my word. This is just seen better moments. Oh yeah, and again, they used a spring to go across. That's what was on this last doll. So this must have been, I thought this might have been a fix from, like a dad did this, like a father back in its day. But no, this is typical. This is what they have going across from arm to arm. But no, we're not going to use that. And look at the arm. It's right inside. So let's first, before we start pulling that out, let's open up this arm here. And okay, the arm is looped like a horseshoe. And it's not, one side is attached into the doll, the other one's just looped over. So we're going to open up the side that's just looped over. When you do that, you're able to get this coil off then. Which side is it now? Oh, it's that side. Okay, I see which side. Okay, good. It's the one that's facing me. Well, maybe I can go on this side. Get this one instead. Oh, there we go. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Ah, there. There. Oh my goodness. See how it just... I'm going to have to build all this up in here. This is going to have to be all rebuilt to be like this on this side. It has to be built just like this. Wow. This system is just not good. Like, we'll be stringing it, like using string. I won't be using these coils. The coils are just too hard on it. We're going to try anyways. But anyways, there she is. Oh, wow, she's looking great. I don't think we'll be splitting her head in half. The other one was in a bad way. If you go back, like I said, go to my playlist. You will see it. You go on to the Broken Doll, and it says playlist. You'll see it there, and you'll see that I was restoring this one right here. And so I got 2 of them to restore. But very nice. Oh yeah. This is going to be a fun project. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed seeing that. Lots of work here to do. Wow. It is what it is. So stay tuned. There's more to come. Now it'll be about taking her paint off and just doing the paint job on her. Her arms are in pretty good standing. But I don't want to be putting oil on top of acrylic. It doesn't adhere. It's not a long-lasting solution. You're better not to do that than to do that. But yeah. All right then. Coming back with more. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.